Waiting in darkness. Something from the sea, because you got the damn, what do you call it? Oh, good God almighty. Shit is that? It smells like the urinal in a Portuguese cat house. Yeah. What is it? What the hell? What is that shit on the bottom? What the hell is that? Tuna? I gotta take a smaller bite. Yeah, oh yeah, it smells bad. Yeah, it smells like the worst strip clubs I've ever been in. Yeah, that's pretty goddamn bad.
Do you know how hard this was to make because I was so nauseous this morning?
Oh, Christ almighty. Help me. Help. God damn.